The Delomo upgraded efficient pet hair remover gloves sold as a pair. This is where things start to get more serious. You get 255 silicone grooming tips per glove, and because it comes as an actual pair, one for your left hand, one specifically designed for your right, you can groom or clean with both hands simultaneously. That alone cuts your cleaning or grooming time close to in half. It doubles as a bath brush too. You can use it directly in the tub to shampoo your pet while it's gently massaging their skin and loosening dead hair at the same time, so bath time becomes grooming time. The 5-finger design means you can actually get into harder to reach spots, like around the tail, the legs, or your pet's face, without switching tools. It's built to be skin-friendly on your pet, no scratching, no pulling, and the adjustable wrist strap means a snug, secure fit no matter your hand size. For pet owners who want an efficient two-handed system that handles both grooming and bath time, this is a serious contender, which is exactly why it lands solidly in our top 3.